A block is placed on an inclined plane with the slope angle theta. The block slides down the plane at a constant speed. The coefficient of kinetic friction is. According to the problem, a block is sliding on an inclined plane. Let us suppose that this is horizontal plane and this is inclined plane with an angle of inclination theta. It is said that this surface is rough. On this there is a block placed which is sliding down the plane at a constant speed. Let us draw free body diagram on the mass small m. Its weight mg acts vertically downwards. Normal force acts perpendicular to the inclined plane in upward direction. Mg gets resolved into two components as mg cos theta in downward direction perpendicular to the inclined plane and mg sin theta which acts along the inclination in downward direction. Because of mg sin theta, there starts a relative motion down the inclination. Therefore, frictional force comes into play to oppose this relative motion. So, frictional force acts along the inclination in upward direction. As the block is sliding down with a constant speed, net force on the block should be equal to 0, which means mg sin theta is balanced by friction. Since the block is moving, this friction is kinetic friction. This implies mg sin theta is equal to Fk is written as mu k times of normal force. So mg sin theta is equal to mu k times of normal reaction force is equal to mg cos theta from FBD. So we can write it as mg cos theta. So on simplification we get mu k equal to as tan theta. Therefore the coefficient of friction is tan theta. Therefore the correct option is 4.